That's like, sorry for my language, but that's a jerk of Nick.
That's what it's saying.
That sounds like a hardcore Chicago.
You don't like Nick, huh?
Good luck.
Good luck.
Energy.
I was
Walking.
So here.
This is insane.
This is
Like,
awesome. Yeah, right off the bat.
Can you tell us what year it is?
19.
Do what?
What year is it? Philip?
There's like so many people coming through right now.
Yeah.
There's more than one.
Again, it's getting it again.
Ask how many there is.
How many of you are here with us? Just give me a number.
9.
12.
Oh,
Wow.
Glenn?
Is there 12 of us here?
Did you say Glenn? Click. Something.
1, 2, 3.
I think there's like 17 of us or
7,
something.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
No, wait.
Oh my God.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
I'm getting over by the door in case I get out of here.
Wow. That's sweet. It just,
That's crazy.
within like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I'm getting like mad chills. You know.
I'm going in.
There's a few of you?
Are you behind us?
Is there, do you like us sitting here, or should we go to a specific room?
Who's on the stairs?
Is there someone else?
That was me tripping. Somebody down there?
Hey! No, people are all the way down there.
Interesting.
There's nobody down the stairs. They're all the way down the hall.
Yes.
But that's what they say happens here.
Yeah. That's the second thing.
Oh, really? Maybe they're coming in. Come on in. Welcome to Elizabeth's house of fun. Sounds really weird. What?
Can you say that again?
You guys are funny.
Yeah,
that's what it is.
Good answer.
You guys are funny. You're funny.
That just did it again.
Don't please tell me.
We'll go check it again.
Oh.
We'll go check it. Hello?
Did you work here when you were alive?
That was me turning that one on. There's nobody down here. Nobody's out there.
No one?
No one.
We're still in here.
So guess what's in here, Mom?
I don't know.
Come in here. Everywhere I freaking go, that is everywhere. I don't like those dolls, okay? They're just freaking me out.
Raggedy Ann.
like locked doors. I'd rather see what's behind that locked door.
Oh.
So, from the group that was here earlier, it feels different. Are there different spirits in here this time? Do you think the energy of the group of people that are in here is different? Is that why you're interacting differently with us? Is there someone specific you want to speak to? Someone sneezed. What message do you have for that person, if there is someone? Stop him.
There's no chairs squeak. Somebody sat down.
Is there anyone back in that room that way? Because when we were doing the session, there was like,
I'm not too sure. I haven't seen anybody in that.
there was a
room.
sound.
I think it was somebody sat down.
No.
No. Yeah, that's weird. You got a no, and she got a yeah.
Yeah, sometimes you get leave before stuff,
That was
so you'll
cool.
get different
Yeah.
responses.
It's cool because it's the same thing.
Yeah.
Interesting. The plot thickens.
We didn't even know we had a plot. Now we have a plot.
Watch out.
What?
From the group that was here earlier, it feels different. Are there different spirits in here this time? Do you think the energy of the group of people that are in here is different? Is that why you're interacting differently with us? Is there someone specific you want to speak to? What message do you have for that person, if there is someone?
Be quiet, bitch. Is that what it says? I swear.
That's not friend.
I heard be quiet, bitch, but I was over there.
But I mean, that was before that. Be quiet.
The woman said something.
The woman said,
and
"That's
then
not
he yelled,
friend."
"Be quiet."
You were calling my name earlier? Do you have some information on Belisca for me?
It's what? It's haunted, yeah, that's what he said.
It is haunted, you're correct.
How many people died in Belisca? Or the Ashmore house?
Is it 7? How many actually? Oh.
Can you say one of their names?
That's what it sounded like.
Who killed all of those people? Who tried to, did somebody try to stop
I
them?
tried to stop them.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Who did it?
What is your name that tried to stop them?
What did she say?
Wow. Okay. and I tried to bite them, and underneath it said Mary. That's the person's house I live in, Mary Peckham, the neighbor, who died 6 months afterwards from a nervous breakdown.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
That gives me chills.
Mary Peckham, is that you? If you tried to stop them, who was it?
It's weird.
Was it the minister?
That sounds like you.
They found the bat.
Well, we'll start really quick right here. I'm going to be using this device right here. It's called the Geoport. Some of you have probably seen it. Works a little bit different than some of the other devices. So I'm going to be running a program through it, which you hear phonetic words. It's kind of similar to what they're using down there. Cool. But let me turn this on really quick. And here's something I was trying a second ago. Pretty much everybody pick like a word or something you want to say. Just anybody say a word right now.
Bicycle.
Alright, bicycle. So what we're going to do, it's kind of a cool experiment I've been doing. Everybody think of the word bicycle. And I'm going to put this in the middle here. And then we're going to see if we can get Mr. Geoport to talk to us. We're looking for the intelligent responses coming through on these phonetic words. So everybody just start thinking bicycle. Can you talk to us? You were saying a bunch of stuff to us earlier. What word is everybody thinking right now? Can you help us out? What word is everyone thinking? We can't hear you. Can you try really hard to talk to us? Yeah. Alright, here we go. Can you tell us? Someone said a word in here. How about this? Who was the person that said the word? Right next to me, that one.
This one?
Weird room. This one right here. Tell me what you guys feel when you go in there.
In here?
Yep, right in there.
It's right here. It's right down here. Yeah, Nick, it's down here if you're wanting it.
Yeah.
This? Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah.
Let me go to Geoport and show you. Cool, thank you.
Probably.
Does anyone want to sit on that bed?
Try
Sit right
it.
here on the edge of the rail.
Yeah, don't sit in the middle, right on the edge.
Okay.
And then in a little bit, Nick's gonna ride the tricycle.
All right.
You ride the
It
tricycle.
just moved
It
back.
did, I swear to God, it just moved, didn't
I
it?
saw
Oh,
it.
Dude, I
yeah.
got it on video.
A tricycle did?
There you go.
I kind of had it pointed.
I've been asking all night for that thing to
Oh
move.
my God.
It just moved.
Yeah, it just moved backwards.
A good
Can you
inch.
do it again?
A good inch.
That was cool.
Come on, can you move that?
Yeah.
That was pretty cool. Did you film that?
Yeah, I got it on video.
I think I got it too.
Okay, you like these lights? You wanna play with this?
You can leave that flash down if you wanna watch it.
Can you move that again? We just all saw you.
Can you do something to let us know that you're in this room with us? Maybe touch somebody or pull somebody's hair? Move this tricycle again?
Can you say one of our names?
You say Nick 3 times?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I heard
Like Nick, Nick.
All night long.
Second floor, I kept saying Johnny's name.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Harper.
Now that we're talking to each other. Yeah. Did you leave? Are you not gonna talk to us now?
Hey, you wanna try hold it? Wanna ask a question?
Are you sitting on the bed with me? Who's in here?
Okay, there's a group of people in here right now. And if you can do us a big favor, can you tell us how many people do you see in this room?